as Mahatma Gandhi said, that you must be the example, the way you want to see the world. You must do it yourself. And Yoga Vidya is teaching that. It's a leading in that transformation at the individual level, at collective level, but also the food, because food which is served here is organic and is sattvic. The way the food waste is handled, the way yoga is taught, not only as a physical exercise but as a spiritual system of life. I think yoga, first of all, can help us in bringing the world together. That's the most important thing yoga can do. As the word yoga means to unify, yog as a verb, if you use it as a verb, it would mean to add, to unify. And I think yoga can bring us together. I think Yoga Vidya has played a very crucial role in bringing together all these yoga schools from different parts of the world, this time particularly from Europe. But also, as I learned from Sri Sukadev ji, that it has trained yoga teachers who are now present in each and every major city of Germany. And that's a remarkable achievement. All these things, I think are very important, which gives a message that this is the way you should lead life, and where yoga can be a force to in transformation, in shaping the future of our planet, the way we live, the way we breathe, the way we eat. All this can lead to a society where we have a sustainable way of life. I think Yoga Vidya gives that message, and that's the only way to protect our planet and our future.